Hey travelers, welcome back to TMR Tours. Today we are checking out the big merchandise shop inside Nintendoland at Epic Universe. It's called One Up Factory, and inside you can get all kinds of Nintendo merch. You can also pick up those interactive bracelets here. There's a ton to check out, so let's have a look and see some of the products inside. Oh, look at all the Yoshi stuff. Oh man.
35.
Not terrible.
I want this as an adult.
Right? What's the plushie?
Yoshi scrunchies.
35 for the plushie, not bad. So this is some fun merch. I know, look at this towel.
29.
It's not terrible.
No.
Well, you got that classic Universal one, remember? Oh ho ho!
Yeah, it's just
A chugger. Chug love. Continuing on, here we go. 37.
what, star pillow?
Maybe she'll. And it's branded.
Cool. I like this. This is fun.
Another, it's a Kong Point case.
It is, actually. 22, though.
Nah. The Ministry of Magic one
If it
is
was
not
like
yet.
12 to 14, I'd be more
It'd be
interested.
perfect. Luigi. Mario. Hats, nice. What is the price? $39. That's a bit pricey, but it is a hat. They are decently made, thick. I don't know if I'd be wearing it in the Florida heat, but
I've seen a lot of kids with the hats. I've seen a lot of girls with the
headband,
mushroom headbands.
yeah. Stacy.
Oh, it's got all fingers. It's got all 5 fingers.
It looks a little awkward because of that.
You know.
It's a me, Mario. Okie dokie. Okay.
But it has her earrings on it. Isn't that cute? 27. Cute.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour to check out the One Up Factory inside Nintendoland at Epic Universe. If it was informative, hit that subscribe button for more TMR tours, and we'll see you on another adventure.